Hello students, Polytechnic second semester, subject Mathematics 11th chapter, Maxima and Minima. Before going to learn about the maxima and minima, let us learn the increasing and decreasing function. Derivative of a given function y equals to f of x at a point is a positive, then it is called a increasing function at that point. Okay, so the derivative of the function y equals to f of x at any point is a positive, then it is an increasing function. If it is negative, then it is a decreasing function at that point. If f dash x equals to 0, f dash x means first order derivative of the function y equals to f of x at any point, then that function y equals to f of x is said to be stationary. Okay, if it is positive, it is increasing function. If it is negative, it is decreasing function. If it is 0, it is a stationary function. Let's see some examples. The first one is f of x equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100. So do the derivative on both sides. Here d by dx of f of x is denoting with f dash of x. It is equals to what? Yeah, derivative of x cube is 3x square and derivative of 3x square is 3 into 2x plus 3 into 1 minus 0. So 3x square minus 3 to the 6x plus 3. So now take the 3 common from this, x square minus 2x plus 1. So 3 into x square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. So 3 into x square minus here a square minus 2ab plus b square means it is a minus b whole square. So then x minus 1 whole square. See here actually point did not mention in this question, but the derivative answer is observed 3 of x minus 1 whole square. When you substituting any x value in this, definitely will get the positive answer. See, for example, let x equals to one number 5. So 3 into 5 minus 1 whole square, 3 into 5 minus 1 4 whole square, 3 into 4 square 16, 3 1 48. So it is a positive number. Am I right? Next to take the one negative value, x equals to minus 3. Then 3 into minus 3 minus 1 whole square, 3 into minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square, 3 into minus 4 whole square is plus 16, 16 3 is a 48. So it is also positive number. So when you substituting any x value, definitely we will get positive answer. So we can say it is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Now we can say the derivative of the given function is greater than 0, that means positive value. So then the given function is a increasing function. Okay, increasing function. Let's take one more example. F of x equals to 2 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube. Let's find out the derivative of the function f of x. It is denoting with f dash of x. So derivative of 2 is 0, 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2x minus 3 into x square. So minus 3 plus 3 2 is 6x minus 3x square. Now take the minus 3 common. So 1 minus 2x plus x square. So then it is equals to minus 3. 1 can write as a 1 square. 2x I am writing as a 2x into 1 plus x square. Now it is equals to minus 3 bracket of here a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is equals to a minus b whole square. So 1 minus x whole square. Now observe whether it is positive value or negative value when you substituting any x value. So for example, let x equals to 2. So then minus 3 into 1 minus 2 whole square, minus 3 into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 whole square, minus 3 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1, it is equals to minus 3. so it is a negative value. One more example, let's take the another x value. This time take the one negative value -1. So -3 into 1 minus of -1 whole square, -3 into 1 plus 1 whole square, -3 into 2 whole square, -3 into 2 square 4 is -12. It is also negative answer. So if you substituting any x value in the result, so we always getting negative answer. So for all x belongs to real number, so then the given function is decreasing function. Okay, now coming to our real chapter, maxima and minima. So look at the diagram. The name of the curve is y equals to minus x square plus 4x minus 3. So observe the curve, it is increasing from the -3 to here. It is increased maximum at the place of x equals to 2. After that, what happened? It is decreasing. Okay, the maximum increment is appearing at the place of x equals to 2. After x equals to 2, it is decreasing. So then the maximum value of the given function is at x equals to 2. And what is that maximum value of the function? So just substitute the x equals to 2 in the given function, minus x square plus 4x minus 3. So minus 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 3. So here square for x, not for minus. So minus 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 plus 8 equals to 1. So 1 is a maximum value for the given function y equals to minus x square plus 4x minus 3. And the maximum value will appear at the place of x equals to 2. Observe the one more graph. The name of the curve is y equals to x square minus 6x plus 5. See here the curve is decreasing. The curve is decreasing from 1, and the maximum decrease happening at the place of x equals to 3. After that, what happened? It is increasing. So then the minimum point is x equals to 3, and the minimum value of the given function is, substitute the x value in this. So 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 5, 3 square 9, 6 3 is 18 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14 minus 18. So 14 minus 18 is minus 4. So minus 4 is a minimum value of the given function at x equals to 3. So next, conditions for a point on the curve y equals to f of x to be a maximum point or minimum point. So what are the conditions for a point which is on the curve y equals to f of x to become a maximum point or minimum point? There are two conditions. So let y equals to f of x is a one function. If f dash a equals to 0, see here f dash a means f dash x means derivative of the given function, and substitute x equals to a, and if that answer is equals to 0, okay, and f double dash a less than 0, f double dash a means do the derivative of f of x 2 times, that means second order derivatives, and substitute x equals to a, and that value is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. So when the function is following these two conditions, okay, when x equals to a, then the given function said to be possess a maximum value, and that maximum value is f of a. Next, let y equals to f of x is a function. Same, f dash b equals to 0 and f double dash b greater than 0, then the given function to be possess minimum value, that minimum value is f of b. Okay, and in these two the common is what? Derivative of the given function must be a 0. Here if it is negative, maximum value; if it is positive, minimum value. That is the main difference between these two. So next definition, turning point or stationary point. So the point at which the following function changes its nature is called the turning point. Okay, so the point at which the function changes its nature is called a turning point. So the increasing function may change to decreasing one and vice versa. So observe the diagram. In this diagram, here A is a maximum point. Now it is decreasing. Okay, and B is a minimum point. Now it is increasing. C is a maximum point, now in decreasing. D is a minimum point and increasing. So it is a increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So here A comma B comma C comma D are called turning points of the given function. Turning points. Its another name is stationary points. And f of A means at the maximum point, what is a number on the x-axis A na? So this A value substitute in the given function. So f of A, like this f of B, f of C, f of D are called turning values of the given function. A, B, C, D are turning points. F of A, f of B, f of C, f of D are turning values of the given function. And remember one important point, maximum value means it is not a greater than the minimum value. Sometimes the maximum value of the function is smaller than the minimum value of the function. Sometimes minimum value of the function is greater than the maximum value of the function. So you don't think maximum means it is a bigger number, minimum means it is a smaller number for the function. But how to find out the turning point and turning value without graph? See here, if f dash a equals to 0, f dash a means one function will be given f of x, do the derivative and substitute x equals to a, and that value is equals to 0, then we can say that point, that value a and that f of a value is called a stationary point or turning point of the curve y equals to f of x. And this f of a is called a stationary or turning value of a f of x. Let's start exercise problems. So the first bit is find the maximum and minimum values of. First question, 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 15. Let's take the given function as a f of x. It is equals to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 15. So first find out f dash x. So that means d by dx of. So it is equals to 2 into 3x square minus 9 into 2x plus 12 into 1 plus 15. So 2 3s are 6x square minus 18x plus 12. So this is f dash x. Now to find out the maximum and minimum values, we need turning points. So the points will comes from f dash x equals to 0. So then 6x square minus 18x plus 12 equals to 0. Take the 6 common, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now do factorization. So x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equals to 0 by 6. So take the x common, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 equals 0. Now x minus 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 2 equals 0, x minus 1 equals to 0. Then x equals to 2, here x equals to 1. So therefore the turning points of the function are 2 and 1. Next to find out f double dash x. So that means derivative of the f dash x function, where it is here. So it is equals to 6 into 2x minus 18 into 1 plus 0. 6 2s are 12x minus 18. So this is f double dash x. Now substitute the first turning point. What is that? X equals to 2. So if x equals to 2, so then f double dash of 2 equals to 12 into 2 minus 18. 12 2 is 24 minus 18, it is equals to 6. 6 is positive value, so therefore f of x is minimum. F of x is minimum at x equals to 2. What is that minimum value? Let's find out. Minimum value of given function is, substitute x equals to 2 in the given function, so f of 2. So 2 into 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square plus 12 into 2 plus 15. So 2 into 2 cube is 8, 9 into 2 square is 4, plus 12 2s are 24, plus 15. 2 8s are 16, minus 9 4s are 36, plus 24 plus 15. 36 plus 24, 40, 55 minus 36. So it is equals to 19. So 19 is a minimum value of the given function. Next to substitute the second turning point, that is 1. So if x equals to 1, substitute x equals to 1 in the f double dash x function. So f double dash of 1 equals to 12 into 1 minus 18. 12 minus 18. 12 minus 18 is minus 6. It is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, therefore the function f of x is maximum at x equals to 1. So what is that maximum value? So maximum value is, just substitute x equals to 1 in the given function. So f of 1 is a maximum value. So 2 into 1 cube minus 9 into 1 square plus 12 into 1 plus 15. 2 minus 9 plus 12 plus 15 equals to, it is equals to 20. 20 is a maximum value of the given function. B question, 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 10. First find out the f dash x answer. So d by dx of, it is equals to 2 into 3x square minus 9 into 2x plus 12 into 1 plus 0. So f dash x equals to 2 3s are 6x square minus 9 2s are 18x plus 12. So to get the maximum and minimum values, we need turning points. So that is why let f dash x equals to 0. So 6x square minus 18x plus 12 equals to 0. Take the 6 common, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now do the factorization. Minus 2x minus x plus 2 equals to 0 by 6. So the turning points are 2 and 1. So now find out the f double dash of x. So that means derivative of f dash x. So d by dx of, here is a f dash x. So it is equals to 6 into 2x minus 18 into 1 plus 0. 6 2s are 12x minus 18 is a f double dash x. But we have a two turning points, 2 and 1. So first, if x equals to 2, so then find out the f double dash of 2. So it is equals to 12 into 2 minus 18. 12 2s are 24 minus 18. So 24 minus 18 is, so it is a 6. 6 is a greater than 0. So then f of x is minimum. F of x is minimum at x equals to 2. So what is that minimum value? Let's find out. So the minimum value is f of 2 is a minimum value. F of 2 means substitute x equals to 2 in the given function. So 2 into 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square plus 12 into 2 plus 10, it is equals to 14 is a minimum value of the given function. Now substitute the another turning point, that is x equals to 1. So if x equals to 1, f double dash of 1 equals to 12 into 1 minus 18. 12 ones are 12 minus 18, it is equals to minus 6. So it is less than 0. So then the function f of x is maximum when x equals to 1. So let's find out the maximum value of the function. So maximum value is f of 1 is a maximum value. F of 1. So here is a f of x function. F of 1 means 2 into 1 cube minus 9 into 1 square plus 12 into 1 plus 10. So it is 15. Question number C, 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 5. First find out f dash of x. So 2 into 3x square minus 9 into 2x plus 12 into 1 plus 0. So 2 3s are 6x square. So f dash x equals to 6x square minus 18x plus 12. So to find out the maximum and minimum values, let f dash of x equals to 0. 6x square minus 18x plus 12 equals to 0. Take the 6 common. So therefore the turning points are 2 and 1. Next, to find out f double dash of x, so d by dx of f dash x here, 6 into 2x minus 18 into 1 plus 0. So f double dash of x equals to 12x minus 18. Now substitute the turning points in this, then we come to know whether it is maximum or minimum. So the first turning point is x equals to 2. So f double dash of 2 equals to 12 into 2 minus 18. 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 18 is 6, is greater than 0. So if the f double dash is greater than 0, is minimum at x equals to 2. So what is the minimum value? Let's find out. The minimum value is, just substitute this x value in the given function. So f of 2 equals to 2 into, so 2 cube 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 square 4, 4 9s are 36, 12 2s are 24 plus 5, 24, 16, 40, 40 plus 5, 45 minus 36. So it is equals to 9. So the minimum value of the function is 9. Next, substitute one more turning point. If x equals to 1, so substitute this turning point in the f double dash function. So 12 into 1 minus 18. 12 into 1, 12 minus 18 is minus 6. It is less than 0. So therefore the function is maximum at x equals to 1. So what is the maximum value? So maximum value is, substitute this x equals to 1 in the given function. So f of 1 equals to, so 19 minus 9 is 10. This is the maximum value of the given function. D question, 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 16. First find out f dash of x. So d by dx of, So 6x square minus 18x plus 12. Next, let f dash of x equals to 0. 6x square minus 18x plus 12 equals to 0. So x equals to 2 and x equals to 1. So therefore the turning points of given function are 2 and 1. Next, find out f double dash of x. So that means d by dx of f dash x. So here is a f dash x function. 6x square minus 18x plus 12. 6 into 2x minus 18 into 1 plus 0. So f double dash x equals to 6 2s are 12x minus 18. Now substitute the turning points in this. The first turning point is 2. So if x equals to 2, then f double dash of 2 equals to 12 into 2 minus 18. 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 18 is 6 is greater than 0. So therefore f of x is minimum at x equals to 2. So let's find out the minimum value of the given function. Minimum value is, substitute x equals to 2 in the given function. So f of 2, 2 into 2 cube minus, so 56 minus 36 is 20. So this is minimum value of the given function. Next we have one more turning point, that is 1. If x equals to 1, so f double dash of 1 equals to 12 into 1 minus 18. So minus 6, it is less than 0. So therefore f of x is maximum. F of x is maximum at x equals to 1. What is that maximum value? So the maximum value is, substitute x equals to 1 in the given function. So it is equals to 21. Second question, 2x cube minus 6x square minus 18x plus 21. First find out f dash x. That means derivative of the function with respect to x. It is equals to 2 into 3x square minus 6 into 2x minus 18 into 1 plus 0. 2 3s are 6x square, 6 2s are 12x. So to find out the maximum and minimum values, next we need to take f dash of x equals to 0 and find out the turning points. So here take the 6 common, x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Now do factorization, x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0 by 6. So take the x common, x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 equals to 0 by 6 is 0. Now here x minus 3 into x plus 1 equals to 0, x minus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 equals to 0, here x equals to 3, here x equals to minus 1. So the turning points of the given function are minus 1 and 3. Now find out f double dash of x. So it is equals to d by dx of f dash x function. So it is equals to 6 into 2x minus 12 into 1 minus 0. Then f double dash of x equals to 6 2s are 12x minus 12. Now substitute the turning points in the f double dash x. Then you come to know whether the function maximum and minimum values. So first turning point, x equals to minus 1. So f double dash of minus 1 equals to 12 into minus 1 minus 12. 12 into minus 1 minus 12, it is equals to minus 24 is less than 0. So therefore f of x is maximum at x equals to minus 1. Let's find out the maximum value. So the maximum value is, substitute this x value in the given function f of minus 1. So what is a f of x function? Here 2 into minus 1 whole cube minus 6 into minus 1 whole square minus 18 into minus 1 plus 21. 2 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Next to minus 6 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Minus into minus plus 18 plus 21. Minus 2 minus 6 plus 18 plus 21. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 plus 18 plus 21, 39. So it is equals to 31. Next to substitute the second turning point, that is 3. So if x equals to 3, f double dash of 3 equals to, here is a f double dash x function, 12 into 3 minus 12. 12 3 is a 36 minus 12. So it is equals to 24 is greater than 0. So therefore f of x is minimum at x equals to 3. So therefore the minimum value of the function is, substitute this x value in the given function. So f of 3, 2 into 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square minus 18 into 3 plus 21. 3 cube 27, 6 into 3 square 9, 18 3 is a 48 plus 21. 18 3 is a 58 plus 21. 54 plus 21. 2 into 27 is 54 minus 54 minus 54 plus 21. So here plus 54 minus 54 cancel. Minus 54 plus 21, 4 minus 1 3, 5 minus 2 3 minus. So minus 33 is a minimum value of the function. Third question, x cube plus 3 by x. Let's find out the f dash x. So it is 3x square plus 3 into derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. It is equals to 3x square minus 3 by x square. So now let's take the f dash x equals to 0. So then 3x square minus 3 by x square equals to 0. So take the 3 common, x square minus 1 by x square equals to 0. So take the LCM, x square is LCM, so x square whole square minus 1 equals to 0 divided by 3. So x to the power of 4 minus 1 equals to 0 by 3, 0 into x square. X to the power of 4. So x square whole square minus 1 square equals to 0. Here a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 equals to 0. So x square plus 1 equals to 0, x square minus 1 equals to 0. So here x square equals to minus 1, here x square equals to plus 1. Here x equals to under root minus 1. So here x equals to root 1, answer is plus or minus 1. But in the question x is greater than 0, so already given in the bracket. Okay, so then this x value can ignore, and in this x equals to minus 1 is there, that value can ignore. So only one turning point, that is so then only one value x equals to 1. So therefore the turning point of given function is, now let's find out the f double dash x. F double dash of x equals to d by dx of, here is a f dash x, so 3x square minus 3 by x square. So now do the derivative with respect to x. So it is equals to 3 into 2x minus 3 into derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. So it is equals to 3 to the 6x minus into minus plus 3 to the 6 by x cube. So this is f double dash x. So now substitute the turning point. What is that? X equals to 1. So substitute x equals to 1. So then f double dash of 1 equals to 6 into 1 plus 6 by 1 cube. 6 by 1 cube. 6 plus 6, it is equals to 12. 12 is greater than 0. If f double dash value is greater than 0, then the given function having only minimum value. So let's find out that minimum value. So then the minimum value is f of 1 is a minimum value. So 1 cube plus 3 by 1. 1 cube 1, 3 by 1 3. 1 plus 3 4. Fourth question, 2x cube plus 3x square minus 12x plus 3. Let's find out f dash x. So it is equals to 2 into 3x square plus 3 into 2x minus 12 into 1 plus 0. So f dash x equals to 2 3 is a 6x square, 3 2 is a 6x minus 12. So now let's take the f dash x equals to 0 to find out the turning points. So 6x square plus 6x minus 12 equals to 0. 6 common, x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So now x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equals to 0 by 3. Take the x common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 equals to 0. So x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. X plus 2 equals 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to minus 2 and here x equals to 1. So therefore the turning points are one is minus 2, another one is 1. Now find out the f double dash of x. So it is equals to d by dx of f dash x. What is that? 6x square plus 6x minus 12. It is equals to 6 into 2x plus 6 into 1 minus 0. 6 2 is 12x plus 6. Now substitute the first turning point, that is x equals to minus 2. So f double dash of minus 2 equals to 12 into minus 2 plus 6. 12 into minus 2 minus 24 plus 6, it is equals to minus 18 is less than 0. So f of x is maximum at x equals to minus 2. Let's find out that maximum value. So the maximum value is, substitute the x value in the given function. So f of minus 2, 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square minus 12 into minus 2 plus 3. 2 into minus 2 whole cube is minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 whole square is 3 into 4 minus into minus plus 12 2s are 24 plus 3. So it is equals to minus 16 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 24 plus 3 27. So it is equals to 23. Next substitute the second turning point, that is plus 1. So if x equals to 1, Then f double dash of 1 equals to 12 into 1 plus 6. 12 into 1 is 12 plus 6, it is equals to 18. 18 is a greater than 0. So if f double dash x answer is greater than 0, then the function f of x is minimum at x equals to 1. Let's find out that minimum value. So minimum value is, so f of 1 is a minimum value. So 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 square minus 12 into 1 plus 3. So it is equals to 2 into 1 cube 2, 3 into 1 3 minus 12 plus 3, 2 plus 3 6, 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 12 is minus 4 is a minimum value of the given function. Fifth question, x cube minus 4x square plus 5x. So f dash x equals to d by dx of x cube minus 4x square plus 5x. So it is equals to 3x square minus 4 into 2x plus 5 into 1. So 3x square minus 4 to the 8x plus 5. Next, let's take the f dash x equals to 0 to find out the turning point. So 3x square minus 8x plus 5 equals to 0. 3x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So take the x common. So 3x minus 5 minus 1 common. 3x minus 5 equals to 0. So now 3x minus 5 is common, x minus 1 equals to 0, 3x minus 5 equals to 0, x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 5 by 3, here x equals to 1. So therefore the turning points of function are 5 by 3 and 1. Now let's find out the f double dash of x. So it is equals to d by dx of f dash x. So here is a f dash x function, 3x square minus 8x plus 5. So it is equals to 3 into 2x minus 8 into 1 plus 0. So f double dash of x equals to 3 to the 6x minus 8. Now let's substitute the turning points in this. The first turning point is x equals to 5 by 3. So f double dash of 5 by 3 equals to 6 into 5 by 3 minus 8. Yeah, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So then 5 twos are 10. 10 minus 8 answer is 2. 2 is a greater than 0. So then f of x is minimum, because answer is greater than 0, minimum at x equals to 5 by 3. At x equals to 5 by 3. So now find out that minimum value. So the minimum value is f of 5 by 3. It is equals to 5 by 3 whole cube minus 4 into 5 by 3 whole square plus 5 into 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So 5 cube is 125 divided by 3 cube is 27 minus 5 square 25. 25 4 is a 100 by 3 square 9. 5 5 is a 25 by 3. So now the LCM of 27, 9 and 3 is 27. Then 125 minus 27 in 9 table 3 is a 3 into numerator 300. 27 in 3 table 9 is a 9 into 25 225. So it is equals to 50 by 27. So let's substitute the another turning point, that is 1. So if x equals to 1, so then f double dash of 1 equals to 6 into 1 minus 8. So 6 minus 8 answer minus 2. Minus 2 is less than 0. So therefore f of x is maximum at x equals to 1. So let's find out that maximum value. So maximum value is f of 1 is a maximum value. So f of 1 equals to 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1. 1 minus 4 plus 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Sixth question, 4x cube minus 3x square minus 18x plus 12. First find out the f dash x. D by dx of it is equals to 4 into 3x square minus 3 into 2x minus 18 into 1 plus 0. So f dash x equals to 4 3s are 12x square, 3 2s are 6x minus 18. Now let's take the f dash x equals to 0. So 12x square minus 6x minus 18 equals to 0. Take the 6 common. 2x square minus x minus 3 equals to 0. So now do factorization. So minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0 by 6. Now take the x common from the first two terms. So 2x minus 3 plus 1 common, 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Now 2x minus 3 is common. X plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x minus 3 equals to 0. X plus 1 equals to 0. Here x equals to 3 by 2. Here x equals to minus 1. So therefore the turning points are, one is minus 1, second one is 3 by 2. Now find out the f double dash of x. So d by dx of f dash x. So here is f dash x. So 12x square minus 6x minus 18. So it is equals to 12 into 2x minus 6 into 1. So then f double dash of x equals to 12 2s are 24x minus 6. Now substitute the turning points in this. So the first turning point is here. If x equals to, first turning point is minus 1, then f double dash of minus 1 equals to 24 into minus 1 minus 6. So minus 24 minus 6, it is equals to minus 30 is less than 0. So f of x is maximum at x equals to minus 1. So let's find out that maximum value. So maximum value is, substitute x equals to minus 1 in the given function, that is maximum value. So 4 into minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 18 into minus 1 plus 12. 4 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1, minus into minus plus 18 plus 12. Minus 4 minus 3 plus 18 plus 12 is 30. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 30 equals to 23. Next to substitute the second turning point. So that is 3 by 2. So if x equals to 3 by 2, then f double dash of 3 by 2 equals to 24 into 3 by 2 minus 6. 2 1s are 2 12s are 12 3s are 36 minus 6, it is equals to 30 greater than 0. So f of x is minimum at x equals to 3 by 2. Let's find out that minimum value. So the minimum value is f of 3 by 2 is a minimum value. So 4 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 18 into 3 by 2, 18 into 3 by 2 plus 12. So 4 into 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8 minus 3 into 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Next minus 2 ones are 2 nines are 9 threes are 27 plus 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it is equals to 27 by 2 minus 3 nines are 27 by 4 minus 27 plus 12 is minus 15. Now the LCM is 4. 27 into 2 is 54. 54 minus 27 minus 4 15s are 60. So it is equals to minus 33 by 4 is a minimum value of the given function. Seventh question, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 1. So f dash x equals to d by dx of x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 1. So it is equals to 3x square minus 6 into 2x plus 9 into 1 plus 0. Then f dash x equals to 3x square minus 6 2s are 12x plus 9. Now let's take the f dash x equals to 0. Then 3x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0. Take the 3 common, x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Now do factorization. Minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. Now take the x common, x minus 3 minus 1 common, x minus 3 equals to 0. Then x minus 3 into x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0, x minus 1 equals to 0. Then here x equals to 3 and here x equals to 1. So therefore the turning points are 1 and 3. Now find out f double dash of x. So d by dx of f dash x function is here. So 3x square minus 12x plus 9. So it is equals to 3 into 2x minus 12 into 1 plus 0. Then f double dash of x equals to 3 2s are 6x minus 12. Now substitute the first turning point. So if x equals to 1, then f double dash of 1 equals to 6 into 1 minus 12. 6 minus 12 minus 6, it is less than 0. So then the f of x is a maximum at x equals to 1. So f of x is maximum at x equals to 1. So let's find out that maximum value. The maximum value is f of 1 is a maximum value. So 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 1. So 1 cube minus 6 plus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. So f of 1 maximum value is 5. Next substitute the second turning point, that is x equals to 3. So if x equals to 3, f double dash of 3 equals to 6 into 3 minus 12. 6 3s are 12 minus 6 3s are 18 minus 12, it is equals to 6 is greater than 0. So therefore f of x is minimum at x equals to 3. So now substitute the x equals to 3 in the given function. we will get the minimum value. So the minimum value is f of 3. So 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 1. 3 cube is 27, 3 square 9, 9 3 is a 27 plus 1. So 27 minus 6 9 is a 54 plus 27 plus 1. 27 plus 27, 54 minus 54 plus 1. So both are cancelled. 1 is a minimum value of given function. Eighth question, x cube plus 6x square minus 15x plus 5. F dash x equals to d by dx of x cube plus 6x square minus 15x plus 5. So it is equals to 3x square plus 6 into 2x minus 15 into 1 plus 0. Then f dash x equals to 3x square 6 2s are 12x minus 15. Now let's take the f dash x equals to 0. So 3x square plus 12x minus 15 equals to 0. Now take the 3 common, x square plus 4x minus 5. Now do the factorization. X square plus 5x minus x minus 5 equals to 0. So take the x common, x plus 5 minus 1 common, x plus 5 equals to 0 divided by 3. So x plus 5 is a common into x minus 1, it is equals to 0. X plus 5 equals to 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to minus 5. X equals to 1. So therefore the turning points are 1 and minus 5. Now find out f double dash of x, that is d by dx of f dash x. So here is a f dash x. So 3x square plus 12x minus 15. So 3 into 2x plus 12 into 1 minus 0. Then f double dash of x equals to 3 2s are 6x plus 12. Now substitute the first turning point. So if x equals to, first turning point is what? Here 1. So then f double dash of 1 equals to 6 into 1 plus 12. So then 6 into 1 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 is greater than 0. So therefore f of x is minimum at x equals to 1. Let's find out that minimum value. So the minimum value is what? F of 1 is a minimum value. So then 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square minus 15 into 1 plus 5. 1 cube is 1, 6 into 1 square 1 plus 6 minus 15 plus 5. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Next substitute the second turning point, that is minus 5. So if x equals to minus 5, then f double dash of minus 5 equals to 6 into minus 5 plus 12. 6 into minus 5 is minus 30 plus 12, it is equals to minus 18 is less than 0. So therefore f of x is maximum at x equals to minus 5. So at x equals to minus 5. Let's find out that maximum value. So maximum value is f of minus 5 is a maximum value. So minus 5 whole cube plus 6 into minus 5 whole square minus 15 into minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 whole cube is minus 125. 6 into minus 5 whole square is plus 25 plus here 5 into 15 plus 125, sorry, plus 75 plus 5. So minus 125 plus 6 into 25 150, 75 plus 5 is 80. So minus 125 plus 150 plus 80 is 230. So it is equals to 105.